The warning smart entry and start system malfunction in a Toyota vehicle may mean several things, but in 90% of cases the problem is with the weak 12-volt battery. This usually happens in hybrid vehicles. I don't know why, but Toyota and Lexus hybrid cars are very hard on their 12-volt batteries, and they don't give these batteries proper charging. So if you own such a vehicle, you will need to charge the 12-volt battery with an external charger from time to time to prolong its life. Anyway, when you see this warning, the first thing you should do is to charge the small battery and see if this resolves the problem. If it does, there is a high chance that the battery will go flat very soon, so your best move would be to go and have it tested with the load tester at any car battery store. Most likely the battery will not hold the charge anymore and will require replacement. Also, potentially the low key fob battery or a broken key fob may cause this issue. It's not that common because you will most likely see other warnings in this case, but if the key fob works intermittently, you may still see this smart entry and start system malfunction warning. For example, your fob was functional when you were entering the car and the system let you in, but then the fob stopped working due to a very weak battery in it, and the system is now puzzled because it knows that someone is in the vehicle, but this someone doesn't have the proper key. So replacing the key fob battery is another cheap fix for this problem. If nothing helps you solve the issue, there are other culprits like a loose connection on the battery or ground, a malfunction in engine start button, etc. In such cases, you may need professional help to locate and solve the problem.